Hello, 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 and welcome. Today we are going to work on our awesome March Club Couture project. If you don't know what our club is, you can comment club right now, and I will send you a message with a link where you can join my monthly DIY club. You're going to get a project kit every single month. It's $21.99 here in the US, $26.99 over in Canada. And if you're a Perks member, you're going to save 30% and it will only be $17 a month. Free shipping, you guys. And you're going to get a full-size stencil, colors of chalk or ink based on your project, and always a surface or accessory to work with your project. Now, so excited to share with you today. We're going to be working with ink and this adorable bunny. It says quality rabbit feed. This month it came with this really cute sack, so we can make it into a gift bag or just a decor piece for your home. I'm slipping in one of our ink mats. Those can be found right in the shop. So when you add your club to your cart, you can go ahead and shop for the ink mat as well. I'm going to kind of put this on here centered so that when it's all stuffed and full, we have a nice, beautiful image in the center. Now, because I'm working on fabric, I don't need to fuzz this. I'm just going to go ahead and lay it down. All right, you guys, let's change our view so that you can see what I'm doing a little bit better. Now, the ink that comes with your kit is Storm, Vanilla, and Ocean Mist. Today, I'm going to do it up a little differently. That way it gives you some options of what you like. I'm going to go ahead and use some bark on my bunny. I'm going to do a little bit dark. So we're going to do some bark on our bunny. This is ink. And so I'm just going to pick it up with my squeegee and I'm going to spread it across the bunny like so. And I'm only getting this on the bunny. So everything else is going to be a different color. Sounds like my heat press is ready. So all of our inked fabric is 100% permanent. That means you can wash it in the washer, dry it in the dryer, and have no worries about keeping that ink on the fabric. It is made for fabric. Now I'm just going to switch over to my Tide ink. I'm going to do that bottom part, and then we're going to use our Pretty in Pink Couture Coral on the little side patterns here, the cute little border. When we are completely done inking, I'm just going to peel off this transfer, and look how cute the design is. Okay. So now I'm going to remove that ink mat from the inside and I'm going to start drying it. I'm going to go ahead and use our quick dry tool. If you don't have a quick dry tool, you could probably just use a hair dryer if you have one of those handy. And you want to get that ink 100% dry, inside and out, all the way through. Grab my mat and I'm going to put it on the inside here. Here we go. That's going to protect my tabletop when I heat press this. So as long as you heat set the ink, it will be permanent. I'm going to go ahead and put a piece of parchment paper over it, just like that. And then we're gonna heat press. We're gonna do 30 seconds on this side and 30 seconds on the back. So now I'm using a heat press at around 300 degrees, but if you have an iron, you could just set it to the cotton setting on your iron and iron over the front for 4 minutes, and then flip it inside out and iron over the back for 4 minutes. It's super simple, super easy. Once it's pressed, it is permanent and ready to go. Now look how cute. You can cinch this up. You can have a gift bag. You can make an Easter bag for one of your loved ones, or you can use this as your own decor in your home around your Easter decor. I think this is awesome. Our club is amazing. Very, very cost effective. You get a project kit every single month. Comment the word club to check it out. And thanks for watching.